So this is the message we have sent just now. So if I open this one, you can see this is the time, we have the email, we have the subject, and this is the message we have provided. And here we have got the message. You can see that the name, email ID, and the message. You can take as many data as you want. So many of you have asked that how we can add contact form in our portfolio website without the backend, and that's what I'm going to show you. So this is the simple portfolio website I have built. I hope you guys like this design. If you guys want, I will make a dedicated video on this where I will show you that why I have built this and for whom we have built this portfolio website is part of that live class. So I'll make a video on this if you guys want me to cover that. So do let me know in the comment section. So now I want to talk about that how you can send email from your website, from your portfolio website. So this is a simple one-page application I have created. I have this name, I have this email, and I have this message, and we have a submit button. So if anybody can give their name, so you can see I have already tested this. So I have the name, I have the email, I have the message. You can type whatever you want. You can see I type D. You can type anything you want, and you will click on the submit. So the moment I will click on the submit, and here we have successfully send the message. And the best part about this service which we are utilizing to send the email, that you can use this service in any framework. Like you can use in React, you can use it in Next.js, TypeScript, or any other framework you will find, and you will get all the configuration. It's very easy to utilize it. So you can see right now we are redirecting to the this thank you page. But when you will use React, when you will use Next.js, you will have an opportunity, you will have an option where you can display thank you message. So when someone will try to contact you with this contact form, you will get an emails, and that you will have all the details which he has provided into this contact form. So I'll come back to my dashboard. So this is the dashboard where I will find all the information about the user who tried to contact me. So you can see I have these two forms. This one is live and this one is for testing purpose. So this is the message we have sent just now. So if I open this one, you can see this is the time, we have the email, we have the subject, and this is the message we have provided. And if you come back to the email in your Gmail account, because when you create your account, you have to connect you have to provide an email ID in which you're going to receive the notification and the emails and all of this data. And here we have got the message. You can see that the name, email ID, and the message. You can take as many data as you want. So let me talk about the service we are using for having this functionality into our website. Formspree, I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly. It's very easy. You can come and you can read more about it. You can use their pro version, in that you can easily able to attach the email marketing. Okay, you can attach your Discord server. So you can come and you can simply read. They have bunch of options for you to utilize. So make sure to come here and click on this get started. It will ask you to create your account. So once you will click on that, it will ask you to create your account. Make sure to create your account. I already have my account. And once you create your account, you have to verify your email ID. In that you will have, when you will verify your email ID, you will have more options. So make sure to simply log into your account. So once you log into your account, you will have a similar dashboard. Right now you can see I have these two forms, but in your case you won't have anything. So you will have these two options. Click on this contact form, okay, in forms. So I have already created this form, so that's why it's reflecting there. But in your case, when you will come for the very first time, you will have this form button, or you may have this button as well, depending when you are watching. If they update this UI, you will find the options here and there. So make sure to find it from there. So click on this plus icon. It will open up this pop-up, and you can select whether you want to new project and new form. So click on this new form, because sometimes what happened that we have multiple forms on our website. Some forms will create for inquiry purpose, some form will create for the payment purpose, some form will create for taking the files. Okay, so that's why. So you can see this is the name you have to give your form. You guys can select your project. So this is the project I am working on, so you can select whatever project you want. And this is the email. So right now I have provided this email ID in which I'm going to receive all the email messages. So make sure to click and it will create the form. So once you will click on this create form, it will create the form for you, and you will have a simple interface like that. Right now we have done a lot of transaction, a lot of messages I have sent it. So that's all we'll find it here. You can simply close it, open it. Okay, so that's how it's going to look. So let's come back to this is the submission part. Now let's come back to the integration. Into the integrations, here you can know everything about this Formspree. Okay, so this is the URL which is very important for your form, because you have to use this URL to make a post request, and the data will reflect in your dashboard, or you will get an email back. So okay, so here they have explained everything. And if you come here, they have provided this code snippet, so you can simply copy and paste and you can utilize it if you're using HTML. This is for AJAX and this is for React. And this one is the best part, because I have used in most of my React project, because in that I can display the custom messages. I'm not able to redirect to the user into the thank you page. I can display the message once they submit the form like successfully. So you can see it's a very simple code. We have this variables. Keep one thing in mind, that whatever variables they have defined, the name is must. When you define input, you can define ID, you can define type. So whatever they have mentioned, make sure to go exactly like that. And they also have a validator. So once you install the npm packages, it's come with two things. So you will have this form, use form, you will have validator error. So this will trigger whenever someone will try to put the wrong email ID. Okay, so it will automatically validate your email. So simply copy this piece of code and add into your application, and you will have the functionality. So that's for React. This is for HTML with file upload. So if you really want to take files from the user, you can do that, okay, which I have explained into this application. I'll make a video on this. If you guys really want me to make a video, do let me know in the comment section. And why I have built that, the main funder, you have to ask that why I have built that and for whom I exactly built it. It's absolutely stunning, and we have built this for Web3 developers only. So here where I was, so let's come back to the application, and here we have this form button. So tons of things you will have. You can click on this library and you will have bunch of pre-built components which you can simply copy and add into your applications. So that's a very easy process to add contact form into your applications. And I must tell you to come and check. At initial stage, you don't need to spend money, you don't need to make things complicated. Okay, it's a very simple, easy process to add this kind of contact form. So hope you guys have learned something new today. Currently I've started live classes and we have a couple of students in that. So very soon I'm going to launch the live classes, so you guys can join that as well. Okay, so hope you guys have liked it. And if you guys really want me to make a video on this, about this portfolio website and how you can optimize your portfolio website so you can get more opportunity for work and for the business. So that's the only thing I want to talk about in this video. Hope you guys have liked it. If you still have any confusion and doubt, do let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, hit like and subscribe. That will motivate me a lot. Have a wonderful day.